friends and honorable teacher, Assalamu alaikum. This is Imran Hossain. I am really pleased to come here in this beautiful moment. I am not in the habit of speaking in public place. I am really sorry for my ignorance. Anyway, I will try my best to say something. Today's topic is birth chart. The given birth chart provides the information about illiteracy rate was according to gender and region in different parts of the world in 2000. Generally, there was hardly illiteracy rate in developed country. The developed country male and female illiteracy rate was 1% and 2% respectively. Latin America and Caribbean male and female illiteracy rate was both of same at around 10%. East Asia and Oceania male and female illiteracy rate was bit more than high. The male and female illiteracy rate was 8% and 2% respectively. Then Sub-Sahara Africa illiteracy rate was bit more than high than others country. The male and female illiteracy rate was 30% and 48% respectively. Then Sub-Sahara Arab state illiteracy rate was same. This male and female illiteracy rate was 30% and 52% respectively. Overall, the illiteracy rate was bit more than high in South Asia, where male and female illiteracy rate was 38% and 55% respectively. Thank you, my dear friends and honorable teacher. This was a beautiful moment. Allah Hafiz.